Connections all around me, incomprehensible to sight. Listen close and the journey's mixed, need to shed some light. Shadows push and pull me, floating with the wind, casting down reality, season at an end.
Big field. Every team we needed to beat played in it.
Great week for us. We just kind of been continuing on what we've been doing all year so far. You know, we've played really solid. You know, Tommy played super well.
Oh, I can feel it coming down. Winds of change are blowing, don't you understand that sound?
It was just a battle, me and Thomas from UCM. That kid's really good. We were just back and forth and back and forth. Played all day yesterday, all day today, and it was a lot of fun, but very, very stressful. I mean, we didn't lose, we just got beat. Thomas played great. I know all the guys at UCM played really good. They're top 10 in the nation for a reason. And so being able to hang with them, I think, proves a lot about us.
Clouds rise like mountains.
Oh my God. Being so close so many times, a little disheartening, but you got to be really positive about it. And all these second places against really good teams are adding up.
You know, we've been here before. You know, I mean, we're an experienced group. All of us have played, you know, quite a bit, and we've been here for quite a few years now. You know, we feel like that, you know, we're as good as anybody out here.
I think we're really starting to raise our self-worth and self-belief.
Winds of change are blowing, don't you understand that sound? Don't you know that time and time again the quagmire must be rearranged, so the world keeps spinning around.